Good morning, class. Today we are going to start with the next topic of our chapter number 21, that is mod. What does the mod means? Mod is the value of variable which occurs most frequently, or we can say the observation that is occurring the most frequently is known as the mod. To understand the mod, let's take an example. What we have here is some observations are there: 21, 23, 2, 15, 38, 21, 19, 23, 23, 26, 34 and 23. We need to get the mode of this data. The first thing you need to do is arrange it in ascending order. So arranging it in ascending order, 2 will come first, then 15, 19, 21, after that 23. 23 how many times? 4 times. It is given 4 times here, so I am writing 23 4 times, then 26, 34, 38. As you can see, which observation is occurring the most? 2 is occurring only one time, 15 one time, 19 one time, 21 one time, 23 4 times, 26 again one time, 34 one time, 38 one time. So mode will be that information that is occurring the most. The mode will be 23. Taking another example, find the mode of the following data. We have data 10, 8, 4, 7, 8, 11, 15, 8, 6 and 8. You need to calculate the mode of this data. First thing is arrange it in ascending order. Arranging it in ascending order, what we have? First 4 will come, then 6, then 7, then 8. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 8, 8, 8, 8. After that we have 10, 11, then 15. So you can see 4 is occurring one time, 6 is occurring one time, 7 is occurring one time, 8 is occurring 4 times. So mode will be 4, the observation that is occurring the most. We have one more thing. We have a formula. Mod is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. This formula we call it as empirical formula, and we are going to use this formula to get the mod of the given quotients. We will discuss this formula in the later quotients.